Hey everyone, what's going on? Today we are installing Leer's Latitude cover. It's a soft trifold cover. No special tools required, so when we unbox it, pretty much just have the cover and the clamps inside, a couple Allen wrenches. We're going to go ahead and start this by setting the cover on the front part of our pickup bed. We can go ahead and start unfolding it, discarding all the packaging, and then start making sure that lines up with your bed. And this takes some adjustment on your behalf, just making sure it lines up side to side and then front to back on the bed itself. And then once we have the best coverage, we're going to carefully refold this to the front of the pickup bed. I'm going to be careful not to shift it since we just spent some time making sure it's correctly positioned. And then we can go ahead and start attaching our clamps. These are nice and easy. They go right under the wall flange of the pickup bed. And then just simply fasten on. You don't want to over tighten these right now. Just want to snug them right up to that flange. Leave finger tight. And then once you have them both secure, we can go ahead and tighten them an additional 2 turns. From here we can install our secondary safety clamps, and those install the same way. Just want to put them right up on that flange and then go ahead and snug that down. Okay, now we can install the rear latches of our cover. When we get it unfolded, just want to double check from here, make sure that nothing is shifted or anything. Then we can go ahead and install the rear latch. This is nice and easy, just sets right up on that wall flange. Then go ahead and adjust it using that bottom flower nut. And once you have the proper adjustment setting on there, you can go ahead and snug those Allen screws down. And once those are fully tight, you have the option to either take this flower screw out and just set it off to the side, or you can leave it in and just leave it snug against the frame itself. And then go ahead and repeat that on the opposite side. Make sure everything lines up, everything latches correctly. On occasion, you do need to adjust your sink latches. You go ahead and refer to your manual on that one. They have a nice detailed description in there, lots of pictures and everything. And from here, you are finished. Just want to make sure everything is working properly, everything clips together right. Now all that's left to do is simply enjoy our new cover. Thanks for stopping by, guys.